I'm a chef in this thing, you feel me? My bad, I started this video so you can see after my omelet was already done. Next time, I might actually let y'all watch me make it. Would y'all like that? Ha 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 ha. Y'all travel around my kitchen with me? My cereal boxes and shit. Not my cereal boxes, but the general cereal boxes that's here. Cause me personally, I like my Fruit Loop marshmallows. My marshmallow Fruit Loops. Whichever way come first. And now I'm about to put this omelet on this plate. Straight out the skillet. Flip it onto the plate. Now, we're gonna wait and see if it eat through the plate or not. And with that being said, that's my breakfast. I'm gonna have to wash dishes. I don't like that. But, you know, whatever. And, do we got no more Sunny D light? No more Sunny D. Okay, I think I'm gonna go. It's either water or apple juice. Let's go with apple juice. Hell yeah. Yo, and if you actually watch this whole damn video, good shit. I appreciate that. You know what I mean? You should drop a comment or some shit just to let me know. Because you're fucking awesome. I just want you to know that. Excuse my French. But I'm pretty sure that was English. But whatever. You know what I mean. Alright, holla back.